Hello my friends, this is our GU10 frames, all are die-casting aluminum, high quality, and we have many series, such as square, round, and there are many colors to choose from, such as matte white, matte black, black chrome, and so on. It fits all standard GU10 bulbs and LED modules. We study construction for better heat dissipation. Choose fixed or adjustable angles to direct light precisely. Sleek and glare design, easy to install and perfect for home, shops, hotels and more. To make GU10 module become more stable, durable and professional. Any questions, please let me know.